5 important things to know before starting a renovation. Tip number 1, make it personal. Start by looking from the inside out. Before thinking about your curb appeal, make sure that the plan is working for you. A client that lives in the Bronx and loves the outdoors wanted to feel on a farm and enjoy the outdoor space as much as possible. He created a layout that provides views to the garden out of every living space from the moment you enter the front door. Give the spotlight in areas that will elevate your everyday life. The second thing is the light. Light has a tremendous impact on a space. When looking at a property, look at the window openings and look at the locations of the sun at different hours of the day. You could use Google Earth to follow the sun path. For example, if you're working from home, you want your office to be really well lit during the day, but you want to make sure that there's no strong glare on your screens. Another very important tip is you have to have a winning team. The architect, the interior designer, the contractor, many vendors, you have to make sure everyone is on the same page and fully coordinated from the start. While it may seem trivial, schedule a comprehensive kickoff meeting on site. Make sure that there's always an updated set of plans on site that everybody has. And the most important goal is to bring you to the finish line and make sure that you're also enjoying the process as much as possible. The fourth tip is about budget. The more you plan ahead, the more you will have control over your budget. The more detailed your plan will be from the beginning, you'll have less surprises down the road. Take into consideration unexpected costs. Sometimes there are things that we can't predict, like a global pandemic. And depending on the project size, I usually recommend to take a 5 to 10% contingency line for every project. And the fifth tip, which I think is one of the most important, is patience. It takes time to get a plan right. Usually it will take 2 to 3 times to get a layout exactly where we want it. We do a first sketch and then you have to tweak it and tweak it till you draft the exact plan. In order to customize to exactly what you want, you need to take your time. You should have a clear vision from the beginning of the style, the fixtures, the appliances, and the materials choices that you want to use. From experience, if you rush this phase, it will cost you time and money down the road. And if you plan ahead with patience, it will help you avoid cutting corners and skipping phases that you'll regret. So renovating doesn't have to be a process of anxiety and uncertainty. If you plan ahead and you have a good team, you do it right with the right professionals, you can even enjoy it. So good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and my team, and we will try to help you as much as we can with your project.